folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. And yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Alright folks, welcome back to another watch repair video. I'm Brian Harrison on iHome Entertainment, and for the obviously we're just repairing a watch today, so that's what this video is about. And I know you saw the beginning intro and all that stuff, so thank you very much. But for this show, thank you, we're back. Let's get into this. We're going to just replace the battery. You can tell the battery's dead, doesn't work. I don't mind doing extra little videos here and there, so let's do a few more, we could do some videos. Here's the watch repair kit. I have a video out on it. I don't know what episodes or all that. It's one of my toolkit videos, but you can check that on the playlist and just siphon through the videos, so you may find something interesting. But we're going to first put this watch over here. Hold on, yeah, there we go. We're gonna settle this watch in to its little cradle. And there you go. Now we're going to be replacing it with a watch. Hold on, let's get the camera. Come on, camera. Okay, we're going to be replacing it, and this is a Walmart watch, by the way, so it's fine. I don't mind doing it. And here's the batteries. It's a shortcut around some of this stuff. Okay, let's see here. Let's pull this out, and let's do this. And let us find the little area that we need to pop this thing out, and that's what you need to do. And you could go around and slide around, and you'll be careful when you do this. So yeah, hold on, let's get this into view. Let's move this off to the side. Let's get this into view. You kind of go around. I forget which one it is on this watch. Okay, hold on. Let's see, where is it? I think it's over here. Let's see. I may be right. Yep, it's over there. Okay. Alright, so we do that. You gotta be careful. You pop this off gently. And then... Okay, so there you go. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Now you see the mechanism. We can only get so close. Let's see if we can get closer. This camera has a hard time with, but the battery is right up here. So we gotta pop this battery out very carefully. Open our new battery. Okay. Here we go. And you could go to Walmart, get batteries. You could even get them at the dollar store. Actually, sometimes the dollar store ones last pretty good. So I don't. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Come on, battery. I think it wants me to do a longer video. Okay, hold on. Pop out. Come on. Battery. Let's see if we can get... Oh. Okay, fine. I'll rip it out. It's one of those that sometimes you could just pull them out. It's one of those that they want you to actually get the plastic off. Let's see here. Okay, hold on. Oh boy. Okay. Here we go. All right. Okay, we gotta open that. All right. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's just take scissors when all else fails, and bam. Okay. Alright, here we go. We're opening it. Let's see. Are we even getting into it? No, we're not getting into it. Okay. Well, once you get your battery out, you can put your battery in. Okay. There we go. I can see why, so they don't fall out, I guess. Some of them you can just open them up and the battery will fall out, so maybe they're just trying to protect it. Which is, I guess, nice. Okay, there you go. Now we got the battery out. So all you do is you... On this one, hold on. Now each one's going to be slightly different, probably where the battery is. Come on, camera. Alright, so here you go. You just pop it in the slot. I'm trying to be careful with popping it in. You just pop it in. There you go. And then once you're done, hold on. Let's see if it's okay. Then I will open this up a bit, pop out the watch, and see if it will. It should go. You want to make sure it does go. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's working. And once you got it working, usually you can hear it, so I don't try to do that. Be careful when you mess around. These things are kind of weak, so I'm trying to be careful. Let's put this back on the cover, because it should snap into place. Like, again, be careful what you do. Just make sure it fits into place. You may have to move some stuff around. Okay, there we go. There we go. It fits into place. Then we take this, and yep, there's a little edge on here you pop up. So that little edge we popped up, we make sure it faces the right way. If you have a hard time, just try to take it apart slowly, like take the back off, then lay it, you know. And then we kind of push gently, but make sure it pops into place. Alright, so now we got it to pop into place. I think we're done. I want to make sure. Try to be gentle with it. Okay. Then I unloose it from its little hold. It's good to have a watch repair kit, just even for replacing batteries. Okay. So there you go. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you can see it, but the little hand up here is moving. If you watch it long enough, you'll see it move this direction. So my woman will have to set this watch to what, you know, obviously the time or stuff, but I got it working for her again, and she's off. She has another watch. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you. Look, I did some work today. Feel pretty good. I want to thank you for watching my video. I gotta get rid of this battery and old battery. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll leave with closing thoughts. And see you guys next time. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we, you know, take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.